Let me show you how Korean makes ramen. See the back of the package, it shows you the right amount of water. I'll use my Starbucks cup to put the right amount. My number one tip is use less water than what's suggested. Less water means stronger flavor and stronger MSG. We want that. Put the pot onto your stove with highest temperature. Let it boil. When you have nothing to do, let's prepare garnish. Cut some scallions and an egg. Let's have the flakes and soup base also ready, and open those packages. And we're gonna put the flakes first and then soup base, noodle the last, and don't waste the crumbs. I'll use chopstick to flip the noodle so that it touches more air. This will make your ramen more chewy. I'm gonna put one egg into the soup. Look at this. So put your egg on the side and don't stir. And I'm gonna add more scallion. And let's stir. We're gonna cook only 4 minutes because I like the chewy. See, look at this egg. Don't stir. We want the running yolk. Have a bowl and rescue all the noodle so that it never cooks too soft. I don't like soft noodle, so let's put all the noodles inside the bowl. And the soup on top, like this. It's nice and tasty. Here you have it. Thank you. Bye.